Thanks for watching Lessons in Minutes with Jaylee. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
In our previous lesson, I promised that I would complete the question that was worked in that session using units, showing our results in units. So today, here I am looking at preparing the purchases budget, and that will be prepared showing our results in units for this question. Now remember, to prepare the purchases budget, all you need to do is to pick up your production needs, add your ending inventory, that will give you total products required, less your beginning inventory, and that will give you the purchases needed for the budgeted period. You would recall in the previous lesson that 3 kg of materials are required for each unit produced. So because we will be showing our results in units, it means that wherever we have kg, such as in this information right here, we need to convert that into units. And to convert into units, we're going to simply divide the kg by 3 to get the number of units. So let us move into preparing the purchases budget. So what we pick up first is the production needs for each month, and for February, that is 75,000. For March, that is 82,000, and for April, that is 84,000. Now, this gives us a total of 241,000 units. To get the ending inventory, we need to find 25% of the production needs for the next month, as indicated in the additional information. So we're in February. To get February's ending inventory, we need to ascertain 25% of March production needs, which is 25% of 82,000. After calculation, we get an amount of 20,500 units. For March, we're going to find 25% of April's production needs, that's 25% of 84,000, and that gives us an amount of 21,000 units. Now for April, remember in the question, we were provided with the ending inventory for April, but that amount is in kg. So to convert this into units, we're going to divide the 66,750 kg by 3, and that gives us an amount of 22,250 units. And our total ending inventory is 63,750 units. Now for total products required, remember to get that, it is your production needs plus your ending inventory, because guess what? We need to find out what is the total number of units that are needed for the budgeted period. And the amount for each month is February, that's 95,500. For March, that is 103,000 units. For April, that is 106,250 units. Our total products required for the budgeted period is 304,750 units. And now we're going to enter the beginning inventory, because we need to subtract that from our total products required so that we can determine how much units we need to purchase for the period. To get the beginning inventory, remember that is the closing inventory coming from the previous period, and we are on to February. If you check the question, the ending inventory was not provided for January, but to get that, it would be 25% of February's production needs. And apart from that, remember, the closing inventory becomes the opening, and in this case, if you find 25% of February's production needs, you would get the opening stock. If you find 25% of March production needs, you would get the opening stock. And if you find 25% of April's production need, then you would get the opening stock for that month. So basically, for February, it is 25% of the 75,000, and that gives us an opening inventory of 18,750 for February. March, we're just going to transfer the closing inventory from February to opening inventory, that is 20,500. And for April, We're transferring the closing inventory from March to the beginning inventory for April, and that is 21,000 units. And our total beginning inventory is 60,250 units. And now we're able to determine what we need to purchase for each month for the budgeted period. And that is total products required less beginning inventory. For February, we have 76,750 units. For March, it is 82,500. For April, that is 85,250. And our total purchases needed for the budgeted period is 244,500 units. And this takes us to the end of this session where we look at preparing the response for May 2021. Number 3C, showing our results in units. The original question asks us to show our results in kg, which was done in the previous lesson. If you have missed that lesson, the link is in the description below. And for this session, we looked at showing our results in units.
Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.